My name is Sharon Wells. I been with RoyOMartin since 2011. I work on the spray line. I'm a core layer, core feeder, and I wash the sheet drop. When I'm feeding the core, I'm feeding it down on the line, and when I'm laying, you laying it up. The feeder is feeding it and you laying it up. I've been working ever since I was about 20 years old. My first job was at a plywood plant and they shut down. The money was pretty good. So after that, I went to school and I took up patient care technician, but I couldn't find a job in it, and then it didn't pay that much. A friend of mine already worked here, and I asked her, hey, y'all hiring over there? She said, yeah, they hire all the time. And she said, I'll talk to Miss Connie for you. She said, she's the lady you can talk to. So I called Miss Connie, and she said, come on, and I came, and I've been here ever since. When I came here, I said, I bet you they don't shut down. Oh, but anywho, the PKS is a good thing, it is. It's a great opportunity to move up, to make more money. Oh yes, it is. If you do what you're supposed to do, you take your test and you demonstrate. And that's all you gotta do. You're gonna get your money regardless. You don't have to fight for it. This is a good place for a lady, a young man or a young woman to come into and make a career out of it. I don't think there's anything here a woman can't do if she wanted to. There's a lot of women out here. They make good money out here too. A lady could start here, a young girl, a young lady can start here and move up. She can have a great life working here, a career working here. Especially if she have kids, got a lot of benefits for your kids going to school. But there's other things that, you can do here besides what I do. All sorts of jobs here for a lady. I'm Sharon Wells. I believe in women in manufacturing.